Good evening. A very active next 2 weeks is coming up for the United States, weather-wise. First, we will deal with the threat of a major tornado outbreak possibly in northern Kansas and southern Nebraska on Tuesday and Wednesday, and a possible tropical event late next week, especially Monday and Tuesday of the following week. Here's how it's going to play out. Here's the severe weather outbreak I'm talking about. It's going to happen late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning over northern Kansas, southern Nebraska, around this area right here. Severe weather outbreak. Then the same storm might trigger some severe weather, possibly mid-Atlantic and northeast. And the system is going to go off the coast. Some wraparound cold air loft showers Friday afternoon into Friday evening. Then here comes the main feature. Tropical Storm Andrea, which right now is nothing more than a disorganized area of showers and thunderstorms off the coast of Mexico in the Pacific Ocean. Models are hinting that it's going to cross into the Gulf, become a tropical depression around Friday, and become a pretty potent tropical system by Sunday. Then come into Florida as a 60-mile-an-hour tropical storm. Then it's going to rapidly intensify off the coast of Florida. Look at this, 998 millibars. Oh, you're thinking, oh, it's going to go off the coast. But look, you have a trough right here. And right now, the way the axis of the trough goes, you're thinking, it's going to go off the coast. But you have to keep in mind, look at this right here. Very powerful surge of cold air coming down out of Canada. That surge, just like Sandy did, will pick up this system and hook it back towards the left. And this will bring very strong winds and flooding rains to the northeast. Unlike Sandy, you don't have the tropical waters enough to sustain a hurricane. So this time you're going to be dealing with a very, very significant flooding rain event. I mean, just look at all this rain. You're going to be dealing with 40, 50 mile an hour winds, torrential rains, and minor coastal flooding. This will not be a significant flooding event. But this will be a coastal flooding event. But this will not be a significant coastal flooding event. But this will be a significant river flooding event. This may be as bad as Irene, folks. This could be a very, very significant flooding event, especially for the Berkshires of Massachusetts. It might, the Merrimack River might flood. The Hudson River might go out of its banks, and so will many local streams and creeks in Connecticut, Massachusetts, and even in the New York City metro area will overflow their banks. So this is a pretty serious situation. And with all this wind, with all these foliage on the leaves, you will have a lot of poor drainage flooding in New York City if this occurs. This is still 10 days out, so a lot can change between now and then. But just keep in mind that we may get a tropical system named Andrea next week. 2 weeks, a little less than 2 weeks from now. So late next week is when we're possibly going to get this tropical storm. And this is a warm core system, just to let you know. This will be still tropical in nature. So, well, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and hope to see you all when the next video is going to come out in about a week, in about 5 days. Thank you so much, and have a good day.